Alright everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I want to talk about why age is not an excuse. Now again, this is going to be something, it's like, oh my god, he's just trying to boost his ego. Just look, listen, maybe you're young watching this, maybe you're not. It doesn't matter, the same fucking principle. I just want to talk about something, and it's, people always use age as an excuse. Now it's like, whether they're too old or too young, usually it's too young. Again, what I was doing was, I started my social media marketing agency when I was 16. Now that was like, I started getting meetings, I didn't use it as an objection, I just started doing it, and because I was in that situation anyways, I wanted to help my family and all of that, which again, I'm still in the process of doing, but again, this is what it's all about. I'm documenting my journey, man. But yeah, the fact that people always say like, oh no, I've got to wait till then, or this age, or like guys, it doesn't matter. Like, one thing I've actually realized is, for instance, with what I do with social media marketing, Facebook ads, if you can deliver results to your clients, it doesn't fucking matter how old you are. Okay, yeah, fair enough, maybe if you're an 11-year-old, but if you're on a call, maybe your voice is a bit more squeaky, and after all, if you talk a bit slower, your voice will sound a bit better. But really, like, if you can prove that you know what you're on about and your own results, it doesn't matter. People don't give a shit. Like, guys, this is how it works in these days. If you can bring someone the result they want, they don't give a shit if you're, whatever. Like, I'm not going to go into, like, whether, I don't know, like, what their beliefs are. Like, if it's business, isn't it? Like, if you can solve someone's problem and, like, I don't know, you're fucking 12 but you're a genius, then why does it matter? So it's just something I wanted to say, because so many people always say that, oh no, I'm too young. Like are you really? Like, especially if you're in your teenage years. Like, again, and I don't want to make people feel shit about themselves, that's not what I'm about, and maybe I come across that at times, trying to elevate my ego a bit, but in general, I'm just trying to make people realize and just think, like, especially my age, like, you're not fucking young, you can just start now. And again, I've achieved no really level of success, defines as well, like, what you mean success is, but I'm just saying, like, like, age is just a number in general, but that is, I don't know, that's a bit dodgy. But no, but honestly, in the service-based business world, if you can get someone the results they want, whether it be Facebook ads, you're an amazing photographer, you're fucking 12, you're 14, again, maybe that's a bit extreme, but if you're in your teenage years, maybe you're early, you're under 18 still, you're not an adult, it doesn't matter. Like, again, look through my Instagram so far, look, yeah, you can see that I'm not bullshit, and generally I did start getting meetings when I was 16 as well, and that's, again, it's not to elevate my ego, but I'm just trying to tell you guys that you can fucking do it, but as long as you're in it for the right reasons, depending what business you're in. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, peace out.